I am Sachin and welcome to the Simple Maths where we break down complex concepts into easy steps. Let's get into start. Addition and subtraction fact. Filling the blanks as appropriate to from the fact family. 1 plus which number put in blank place is equal to 5. To think 1 plus which number put in blanks place 4 is equal to fly. Absolutely right. Is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 4 plus which number put in blank place? Which number put in blank place? 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Which number put in blanks place in this blank place number? Which number put? So which minus 4 is equal to 1. To which number put in? To 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And which number put in blank place this equation? So which number put in? So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next 8 plus which number put in number of blank place? 8 plus which number put? 2 is equal to 10. 2 plus which number puts in blanks? 2 plus which number? To 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Which number of put? Minus 2 is equal to 8. Which number put? So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And which number blank place put in blanks? So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Next 3 plus which number blanks place? 3 plus which numbers? So 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And 6 plus which number put in this blank place? So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Which number of this blank place minus 3 is equal to 6? So which number? So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And which numbers of this blank place minus 6 is equal to 3? So which number? So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And you are new viewers, please subscribe the channel, like a video and share this video. Thank you.